working. Hey, what's up, you guys? Street Trader FX here, back with another video, man. The first video of 2024. Glad you made it. So, yeah, man, welcome to the new year. I'm gonna start posting a lot because, yeah, man, I've been lazy since last year, man. I don't know why, but I'm back now. So, yeah, today I'm gonna show you like the simplest way to basically trade SNR. It's just mainly going to be a short course. I'm not really sure how long it's going to take, but you'll just see with the title on the description of the video, right? The title of the video actually. So yesterday in my Telegram group, as you can see, I posted this picture right here, this link, right? Basically outlining what I'm expecting, right? But I did not write down everything, right? And today we're just gonna basically discuss what actually transpired, right? So here as you can see, right, we created a buy and then a sell, and then we're gonna touch on this one. I'm gonna explain it clearly. So at the high of this candle right here, this is where your resistance starts, right? And then price sold off once it came back to that resistance, right? And then it created another resistance level. We had an open close here, a support level here. So we're gonna go to the charts right now and basically see what actually happened yesterday, because I was expecting an up move to either trade into this open close or primarily this area right here, because you can see it's a buy and then a sell, and then here's a sell. So we're gonna observe this level for retracements and then a continuation higher and then a sell off from here, right? Fine. This is what basically happened on gold, right? So let's first start with the reason why I decided to just mark up these areas right here, right? We're gonna discuss that. So basically, as you can see on gold, we had these three, let's just say equal highs, right? Even though they're not equal, let's just say three equal highs because they're relatively around the same area, right? Price traded above it and then closed below this high, right? This is what you first have to see when you're trading using SNR, right? If price closes above this area, for me personally, I wouldn't feel comfortable, right? If ever we're taking out stops, regardless of SNR or not. Even with SMC, I would want to see trade and close below here, right? So below this high, right? Let me just zoom in so that you can understand what I'm referencing to. So after trading below, we then made a pullback, and then we tapped this area right here, right? We tapped this area of resistance right here, and then we are now anticipating a sell-off, right? But just because we are in a bearish trend or anticipating a bearish trend does not mean that it will keep going down in a straight line forever. We're gonna get deeper pullbacks, which are going to be around 200 to 300 pips, right? Or even 100 pips. So with this one, let me see how many pips we're expecting. Around 400 pips, right? From where we anticipated the up move. So fine. We first created this area right here. I'll just remove everything so that we can be able to discuss, right? We first created this area right here, this area of resistance right here, right? It's a buy and then sell, and then after that we traded lower, right? So our area of support was formed when we sold and then created a buy, right? We created this area of support right here. This is our new area of support, and then after this candle, right, remember it's a sell and then buy, then we create a support. With this following candle, we expected it to trade here and then anticipated bullish move, right? But it decided to trade higher, right? So this is another area of support, which is an open close. So even when price returns here, we're gonna expect an up move. That's why we got this up move when price was trading here, right? You can see I marked it with this pink area just to highlight that it's an area of support, right? Just like that, right? Just to highlight that it's an area of support, as you can see. And then even with this one, right? Even with this one, this was an open close. But the reason why you wouldn't want to use this, or personally the reason why I wouldn't want to use this open close, is because if we were to look at the range, right? This range from here to here, this is not even close to 50% of the range, right? I can look for the fib tool. I'm not really sure how I set it up, but the Fibonacci tool. My piece is very slow. I don't know why. I have to format it. Range. Is it this one though? I don't think so. Fib. As you can see, this open close is still way above the 50%. So I'd rather look at this one. And this one was around the 61.8. As you can see, it even tapped the 618 and then pushed higher. Right? It even tapped the 618 and pushed higher. So that's the reason why you wouldn't want to use this open close, which is way above the 50%, right? So fine. What are we anticipating now? What are we seeing? I'm gonna break down the trade as well. I did not take it yesterday because I was just mainly highlighting everything that I'm anticipating for the week. I did not take the trade. So weekly open close, then we go to daily, right? So this one is going to be daily reject daily, right? Let me show you something. Never mind, I don't want to show you too much. I feel like it's going to be confusing. Let's just go back to the trade. So let's say on the weekly, right? Price tapped that area from the weekly. Tap that weekly SNR level, right? So after tapping that weekly SNR level with this candle, right? We created this buy candle right here, right? And then this area became our area of support. So primarily you'd want to enter here with 30 pip stop loss, right? Or just below here. This is basically how you would have wanted to enter gold, right? This is basically how you would have wanted to enter gold. Yesterday I didn't want to send out any trade setup or anything like that. So fine. Hopefully you understand. Am I recording? I almost thought I wasn't recording. Not gonna lie. So basically, this is how you were going to approach the trade. Then with targets, right? With targets, always target higher time frame resistance or support areas, right? Because that's where you're gonna get reactions from. Even the weekly level, you can see this the weekly open close, and then on the daily it's a daily resistance, right? So basically this is where your target should be, right? So if you don't want to keep it simple, then it's going to be difficult. This is basically what you need to do, right? Your higher time frame levels are the ones which are going to give you the best reactions, right? Your higher time frame levels are the ones which are going to give you the best reactions, because if you focus on let's say the M15 levels and all that, trying to project a bigger move is going to be a lot more difficult. So first start on a higher time frame and then use lower time frames for entry, right? So use lower time frames for entry. So yeah, let's see what else. Let's go back to the daily. So let's assume that you're in the trade, right? Let's assume that you're in the trade. What am I going to anticipate for tomorrow? So for tomorrow, right, if we close here with a bullish move, right, remember this is daily. This right here, right now, is a daily support area, right? Then we tapped the support area with this black candle, and then right now we're currently bullish. So if we close bullish, right, we're going to mark this level out, and then if price the following day comes back here, we'll be anticipating a bullish move. Personally, that's for me, right? That's for me. So I'm just marking out this daily level right now. I'm gonna mark it with blue, right? So let's go to the 4 hour just to see what might happen. 1 hour. So as you can see, we have this open close right here, bye bye, and then we basically ran the stops here, right? We basically ran the stops there. Just gonna mark it up. Ran the stops there, broke the structure right around here, the highest candle. So this open closes around the daily support area. So I'll just mark my buy area like that with my stops below here. 30 pips stop loss for me, just like that. Let's see, 30 pips, just like that. And then I'll target this area right here, 170 pips, right? 170 pips. Come on, man, relax, man, just like that. So if we close bullish, I would anticipate a buy from here, and then just like that. Then this would mainly be like a continuation. It's mainly be like a continuation, right? Continuation pattern. So that's basically what I'm seeing on gold, and this is not financial advice. Anything that you use here in your trading, if ever I said something on this video and you decide to use it in your live account and all that, that's personally your own expense. And yeah, I don't know how to say, man. Like, all the disclaimers apply here, bro. So before you take any trade, make sure that you do your own analysis, right? Before you take any trade. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace. Love you, boys.